friends, let's solve this Bayes theorem problem. Here the question is, a card is lost from a pack of 52 cards. From the remaining cards, 2 are drawn randomly and found to be both clubs. The same problem is valid for if we take diamond case. Like here I have taken clubs, it can also be diamond. They may change the question in that way, but the process would be the same. Find the probability that the lost card is also a club. So here, after reading the question, it is very clear that there are two disjoint sets, E1 and E2. So let us suppose E1 is the event which it is talking about. Find the probability that the lost card is also a club. So let us say E1 is lost card is club. Let us say E2 is lost card is not a club. And here the common associated event with respect to E1 and E2, like whichever card is lost, be it a club or a non-club card, this A remains same in both the scenarios, and that A is that 2 drawn cards are found to be clubs. Like, so A is both drawn cards are clubs. So this is the associated event with respect to E1 and E2. Whether this happens or this happens, this is taking place in both the cases. So here first we will find out the probability of E1, probability of finding lost card is club. So how many clubs we have? We have 13 club cards out of total 52. So this is 1/4. Now probability of E2, how many non-club cards we have? Just subtract 13 from total cards, which is 39/52, which gives 3/4. Now probability of A given E1, what does it say? It says that probability of drawing 2 clubs card under the given condition, or we can say when the prior information with us is the lost card is club. In that case, how we will find probability of drawing 2 cards? If the lost card is club, and we have to calculate probability of drawing the 2 cards clubs. So if already 1 club card is lost, so we are left with only 12 clubs cards. So 12/52 into, for the next card to be drawn, the probability would be 11/52, because already 1 more club has been removed, right? So probability of A given E1 would be this, sorry, and in the denominator we will have 51, right? Because 1 card is lost. So 12/51. Clear? Similarly here 11/50. Now 11/50. So this is probability of A given E1. Similarly, we can calculate probability of A given E2. So probability of A given E2 is means probability of finding the 2 cards which are found to be clubs under the given condition that the lost card is not a club card, right? So all 13 cards are available. So 13 out of 52, 1 is lost, so 51 is there, and as here 1 card is drawn, so now there are 12 club cards out of 50. So this is how we calculate probability of drawing 2 cards when the lost card is club and when the lost card is not a club. Hope you have understood these 2 important steps. Now just look at the formula of finding the probability, reverse probability, that what is the probability that the lost card is a club under the given condition that the 2 cards drawn are clubs. So how we have to write? Just tumble it. So probability of A given E1 we have written, and probability of E1 in the numerator upon theorem of total probability. Like we have to write all associated events with this condition probability. So probability of A given E1 into probability of E1, E1 is finished, plus probability of A given E2 into probability of E2. This way we have to write, and as given above, we are aware of all the values. So here I have substituted the values, and once it is substituted, you can simplify it further in this way, or everybody has their own independent way, and the final solution would be 11 upon 50. So this is the probability of lost card is club, when the prior information with us is the two cards drawn are clubs. So this is how we calculate for clubs or diamond or heart or spade. This is the same process valid for every problem. Thank you.